In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing images using AI tools that are fast, free, and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Choose the right tool. There are several AI platforms for image generation, but some of the most popular ones are Midjourney, DALL-E, and Bing Image Creator. These tools allow you to create visuals by simply typing a description, also known as a prompt. Step 2. Write a strong prompt. The key to stunning images is writing a clear and specific prompt. For example, instead of saying a cat, try something like a fluffy orange cat sitting on a windowsill during sunset in watercolor style. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Step 3. Experiment with styles. Most AI image tools let you add styles like realistic, cyberpunk, pixel art, or 3D render. This lets you get different looks from the same idea. Don't be afraid to try new combinations. It's all part of the creative process. Step 4. Use images for social media, thumbnails, or project. Once you generate your image, you can download and use it for YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, Instagram content, or even digital art portfolios. Some tools even let you upscale the image for better quality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SmartLife AI for more smart tech hacks.